Ottawa. You go anywhere in the world, you get the same taste, you get the same quality. Now, how is it possible? Am I audible, please? Hello?
Yes, you're audible. You are audible. Continue.
So how that company is able to distribute the same quality and quantity of products across the globe? They have certain standard processes and systems. They maintain certain standards. Whatever ingredients they use, they globally source it, and then they prepare it and distribute it. Why I'm mentioning is NetSurf is a global company. It's no less than the largest. Hello? Or for that, am I audible, please? Harsha?
Yes, continue, sir.
So for that matter, NetSurf is no less than the many multinational companies worldwide in terms of standards. They have spent 14 years to create the foundation, and they're still improvising on their systems and processes. They're improvising on the quality of products, etc. So all these products are centrally manufactured at one place. They're distributed across the country, even though they have multiple locations for manufacturing, but they have standard systems and processes so that the quality is same. So that's the best part of NetSurf. Now, coming back to the products, we have a great company manufacturing good products. We have a wonderful network to take care of the marketing aspect. Now, we also have a lot of information, the documentation. Companies manufacture a lot of products, but when they go to the end customer, we were all discussing about farmers. Yesterday, when I was speaking to that farmer, the farmer says, Venkanna is the farmer. He says that whatever the shopkeeper tells, we are using it. We don't even know what is there in that. So who is being benefited? Who is the master in that? The shopkeeper. Whether the farmer earns anything or not, the shopkeeper earns, because that shopkeeper is the consultant for this farmer, and the farmer believes in him completely. Now, what does that farmer look for? What does that shopkeeper look for? For his commission. That is it. Is the shopkeeper having adequate knowledge and information about the product? I cannot comment on that. I think we are well equipped with knowledge and information because our company gives brochures, our company conducts training sessions, our uplines, our introducers. Whatever information is being given by the company, it gets percolated. Am I audible, please? I think there's some disturbance. Hello?
Yes, continue.
You are audible.
Yeah. Whatever information and data that the company is generating based on its experience and manufacturing process, it gets percolated to each and every one in the network. We are all equipped with information. Today is Sunday. We're supposed to be lazing around and having time with the family, but we're participating in this program only to accumulate important information. Okay. Now, regarding the products, I'll touch base on the agri products and the animal husbandry and a little bit on the healthcare products and other. Our company manufactures agriculture products, which are meant for the farmers, animal husbandry products, that is CFC plus, which are meant for the animals. We have healthcare products for human consumption. We have this beauty products, that is, they are the cosmetic products. And we have also got aqua products. The aqua products are a recent launch. They're very, very successful in the clinical trials, etc. And I'm quite sure even when they're deployed in the market, they're going to do a great job. Agri products. So the products, let me start with Stimrich. Now, when we go to a farmer, he doesn't understand the deep technical details. All that he looks is if he applies this product, what is he going to get? So we are going to discuss only the basic and peripheral knowledge. We are not scientists. We are facilitators. We are introducers of products to the end farmers. We don't need very deep information, very deep technical knowledge, because the basic knowledge we are not salesmen. First of all, we are not salesmen. We are people who are facilitating the products to the farmer with an intention that he grows, that he is benefited. In the process, we will be benefited. So that is the context. It is not I alone who will be benefited. First is the farmer. When he is benefited and when he gets a better price and better quantity, etc., we will be benefited. That is the difference between sales, a normal salesperson, and we people. And we facilitate all the information required for the farmer to use the products and become successful. Now, Stimrich is a growth promoter. Now, what is a growth promoter? If you leave a plant normally, if it is left to the sunshine, if it is left to the normal water conditions and whatever pesticides or whatever it is we use, what happens is it grows in its own way. Take, for instance, in 3 months, you're supposed to have a harvest of rice and you're getting, let us say, 25 bags of rice. If you apply growth promoter like Stimrich, you will get 30 bags, you will get 35 bags. When you use chemicals, you still get 28, 30, and even maybe even 35. But our Stimrich, which is a growth promoter, the difference is this is purely herbal, organic, and above all, bio-organic. This facilitates better growth for the plant. This builds up the immunity for the plant. This builds up the higher capacity for food preparation, because when you foliar spray onto the plant, the cells elongate. When the cells elongate, the photosynthesis effect exponentially increases. As a result, the leaves widen, the greenery, the chlorophyll in the plant increases. All these things will build up more immunity, and it will also help the plant prepare food more effectively and more efficiently. As a result, obviously, if somebody is healthy, he will be able to work better. He will be able to be more productive. So from the soil till the top of the plant or tree, Stimrich works wonderful. Wonderful means wonderful. You will get higher quantity of tomatoes. You'll get higher quality of tomatoes. When I say quality, we had been to Hosur. Very clearly, they said that if we use your products, do we get larger tomatoes, more reddish tomatoes, more shining tomatoes? For all these questions, it is a yes, 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 yes. The farmer will get better quantity. If he is getting 1 ton of tomatoes with chemicals, he will get 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 tons. If he is getting smaller tomatoes, these tomatoes will be much, much bigger. And because the quality has improvised, the farmer will get a better price. Take, for instance, a chemical tomato box. If he's selling it for 200 rupees, he will certainly get 250, 260 rupees. And even we as individual buyers, if we see better tomatoes, we will always, our hands will go to those better tomatoes rather than the other ones. The chemical tomatoes shelf life is maximum 2 days. That's it. After the second or third day, it starts wrinkling. The organic tomatoes or the tomatoes grown with NetSurf products has a shelf life of 15 to 20 days. You don't have to put them in any refrigerator. Even in the normal weather conditions also, they have that kind of shelf life. Now, the plant grows faster. That is the growth. That is the growth promoter. So that is how this Stimrich works. All our products are very economical and cost effective. I'll come to that aspect later on, but only you need to understand that all our products are cheaper than chemicals. It's simple. Total cost of operations, total cost of ownership is cheaper. For your kind information, we had spoken to so many paddy growers in Rajahmundry and other areas. A chemical farmer spends 15,000 to 20,000 rupees per acre for 28 to 30 bags of paddy. If he uses chemicals, he needs to spend 15,000 to 20,000 rupees for on chemicals. And he will get 28 to 30. Some people have told us 35. I am taking 40 bags of paddy for chemicals. Our farmer, when you use NetSurf products, you have to spend between 10 to 15,000 maximum. Our farmers are able to harvest 30 bags. Chemical farmers are able to take 40 bags. Our farmers are able to take 30 bags. Expenditure in chemical farming is 15 to 20,000. Expenditure in this NetSurf farming is between 10 to 15,000. Now the major distinction, our bag of rice sells between 2,000 to 2,500. Their bag of rice sells for 1,100 rupees only. So between chemicals, 15 to 20,000 per acre. Even if I consider 30 bags or 40 bags, 40 into 1,100 is 44,000 is what the return on investment for the farmer is. Our thing, 10 to 15,000. And our bag fetches between 2,000 to 2,500 and 30 bags is 60,000, even if I consider lower. So 60,000 is the return on investment. In chemicals, it is 44,000. Investment in chemical farming is 15 to 20,000. In our farming, it is 10 to 15,000. That is why it's economical. Moreover, our products are chemical free. It's harmless. Anybody who wants to commit suicide can consume our products. It will fail them. It will certainly fail them. The chemicals are not like that. Why I'm quoting this is because it is harmless. Our products are harmless completely. Even if you consume, nothing would happen. There are some stories or there are some incidents wherein people have consumed and nothing happened. The second product that I'm talking about is SHEET, Soil Health Enhancement Technologies. Now, what this product does is it loosens the soil. When the soil usually because of this chemical farming, the soil gets hard. So the air doesn't penetrate. As a result, the nitrogen doesn't penetrate. Water itself doesn't percolate down properly. It goes according to its own whims and fancies. And because of that, the roots are not able to absorb the water consistently and constantly. Now, what the SHEET does is, SHEET loosens the soil, thereby facilitating more nitrogen to the root, facilitating better penetration of the root and the white roots. As a result, the root becomes stronger. It has also got another added quality that it has the water retention capability. It holds the moisture near the root. As a result, the root takes in the water continuously. The water, when you facilitate the root with the water, it grows much, much, much better. It circulates that water to the entire system. That is how the entire plant or tree is hydrated. It has also got a lot of macro and micro minerals, which are very useful for the overall growth of the plant. So now one product is taking care of the soil. So it is taking care of the root. The other product is taking care of the a plant system above the soil. A combination of these two is a wonderful result that one can expect. You will get higher produce, you will get higher quantity, you will get higher quality. We have another product called Bio-99. So Bio-99 is a sticking agent. Usually when farmers foliar spray is you spray on the plant or the tree. Drenching is you pour this liquid near the roots of the tree or plant, that is drenching. So Stimrich is for foliar spray. SHEET is for drenching. However, our practical experience from various farmers and even some of the technically sound professors have proven that you can drench and you can foliar spray both these things so that this product reaches to the entire system of the plant or a tree. It will be more effective. You can combine both this Stimrich and shear, and you can foliar spray, or you can drench it, and it will be more effective. Now, when you foliar spray any liquid on the plant, what happens is the 80% of the liquid falls down. Now, it is a waste, whether it is chemicals or non-chemicals. When you pour anything on a plant and 80% falls down, you're wasting 80%. So we have something called a sticking agent. So Bio-99 is a sticking agent. When you use this Bio-99 in combination with Stimrich or shear, or for that matter, any liquid, what happens is that liquid sticks to the leaf for a longer time. It also spreads across the leaves. As a result, that entire tree or a plant system absorbs these products, and obviously the higher quantity and quality will be produced. Now, even after using Bio-99, certain amount of liquid still falls down. So Bio-99 is a pH regulator. So since so much of chemicals have been used, the soil has become acidic. So whatever is falling onto the soil, the soil's pH is regulated, which helps a better quality of soil, and obviously it will help the tree to grow much better. So the leftover liquid which falls on the soil is not wasted. It is a pH regulator. And Bio-99 also has got macro and micro mineral. So in effect, whatever we are using, nothing is wasted, and nothing is wasted. And everything, in every aspect, the soil, the plant, all human beings, we are only bettering the existing system. We have a product called Intact. Now it is an insecticide. More than 80 species of insects, they are firewalled with this product. This product takes care of almost 80 plus insects. Most of the farmers have a major challenge that when it comes to near to the harvesting stage, there are insects which come and spoil the entire farm. So this product works wonders. It really works wonders. The next product is a fungicide called Wrap-Up. Now, Wrap-Up is a fungicide. It's an Indo-German collaboration using nanotechnology. Out of all the bacterial cultures that we have in our kitty, whether it is NPK, sheet, or this Wrap-Up, Wrap-Up is the most powerful, in the sense the less powerful or the less powerful products, they are eaten away by this. So this is a very powerful, so it has to be used in combination with the recommendations of the company. So you cannot use Wrap-Up and sheet, because Wrap-Up is more powerful than sheet in terms of the bacterial culture. So the other one becomes ineffective. So you have to use Wrap-Up. You can use Wrap-Up with Bio-99. You can use it with Stimrich. Okay, so there are certain do's and don'ts that we have to follow for effectivity. So Wrap-Up is a fungicide. A lot of these trees during monsoon, etc., they are infected and affected by fungus-related viruses. They are very difficult to cure. But when you use this product right from the beginning, both as a curative process, both for curation and prevention, you can use this for both, because prevention is better than cure. When you use it right from the beginning, the funguses would not attack the plant species or tree species so easily. So we have sheet, Stimrich, Bio-99. We have Wrap-Up as a fungicide. We have Intact. We have NPK, nitrogen, phosphate, and potassium. These three are vital minerals required for the plant and tree species. The chemical NPK, just talk to anybody. They will ask you, the first question is, when you talk about our bacterial NPK, they ask you, what is the percentage? So we say that we don't know anything about a percentage because it's 100%. Whereas in chemicals, it is 40 to 45%. Whatever that means, 50%, 50 to 55% of whatever they're using is a dummy. It is of no use. Only 40% is used. Here it's 100%. The difference between a bacterial culture and a chemical, the analogy is quite good. Like, we drink lemon juice that is bacterial in nature. There are so many products in the market like Kisan lemon squash, Rasna lemon squash. When we use that, it is only for a namesake, it is lemon. It is basically lemon flavored water with chemical vitamin C in it. It's common knowledge, it's common sense that lemon juice is much better than those squashes. Apart from that, those squashes, chemical squashes, have got other problems, other side effects also. Okay, the walls of your stomach get eroded because they are caustic in nature. Lemon outside is acidic, but when it gets into your stomach, it becomes neutral, alkaline. That is the beauty of nature. It is the same product which behaves differently under different environments, whereas chemical is not like that. It behaves only in one single pattern. Non-chemicals or organic matter and organic stuff takes care of anything holistically. It goes to the root of the problem, and that is how it builds up a solution. So we as a company, I think, according to my knowledge, we are the only company having such a vast range of products. When a farmer wants higher produce, when a farmer wants it economically, he wants it at I don't call it cheap, because there cannot be something which is cheap and highly effective. I don't know any product. It should be reasonably priced. These products are reasonably priced. These products are really effective. Above all, these are bioorganic products which are harmless to nature, and it also supports the ecosystem or the environment. As far as the applications are concerned, your Sheet, Stimrich and Sheet, 2 ml for 1 liter. That is 400 ml for 1 barrel. The farmers talk in terms of barrels. These are all costing how much? Approximately 7 to 8 rupees per tree. In 1 acre, you are talking about 7 to 8 rupees. The Arcanet trees, which we talk about, per application costs just 7 rupees. It is so economically viable. You have to calculate the end-to-end cost for the entire crop cycle. How much are you investing using a biofit product, and how much are you investing for chemicals? And in chemicals, there is no end. Whatever the shopkeeper says, they keep on putting. I've heard in Tirupati, Harsha and we all went to Tirupati, and we asked, how much do you spend on the mango trees? Sir, we don't know. While applying these pesticides and chemicals, we don't even calculate how much we are doing. It goes on because we have to save the crop. But right from the beginning, if you use biofit products, it is both preventive and curative. They also take care of the plant species in a holistic manner. You will get 100% good, high quality produce. So 2 ml per liter is Stimrich, 2 ml per liter is Sheet, Bio 99 is 0.5 ml per liter. These are 2 ml is few drops. Because of its high concentration, the way Satish and Naveen had explained, they are easy to carry, easily transportable, and the cost of logistics is also very, very less. So highly concentrated liquids, very few drops, and in a barrel 400 ml. The rest of the NPK, they are all 2 ml, 2 ml, 2 ml. It's not more than 2 ml. So please understand one thing, since the soil is totally chemicalized, initially we recommend you to use a higher quantity of all these products, except Bio 99. Bio 99 is a powerful product. If you use higher quantity instead of 0.5, if you increase to 1.5 or 2 ml, what happens is it spoils the leaves of the plant. It burns the leaves. It is made up of ginger. It's a ginger concentrated liquid, and it spoils or decolors the leaves, etc. So you have to take care of this. You have to take care of how much you are. You can use more Stimrich, Sheet, but not Bio 99. You can use more NPK. All these things will help. So these are the things. Now we have a product called CFC Plus, which is for animal husbandry. You can use it for cows, buffaloes, goats, sheep, your poultry farms, and horses, etc. Now 10 to 15 grams every day to a cow. Please ensure that it goes into its stomach. And within 10 to 20 days, the results are you will get 10 to 15% more milk, more density milk. When it is of higher density, you will get more butter. Now, 60%, 50 to 60% of the cows, they die during pregnancy. The calf dies inside the stomach. As a result, the cow also dies. Why does it die? Is it doesn't have enough muscular energy and strength to stand and deliver the baby. Internally also, it is weak. A cow is a herbivorous animal. The farmers generally use cow feed, which is fish based or prawn based powders. Since it's a herbivorous animal, when it takes non-vegetarian fish or prawns, its internal structure changes. As a result, its lifespan also comes down. And moreover, all those things, they do not have any standards. They're adulterated. They'll mix whatever they want just for commercial reason. NetSurf is very strict on it. We use only herbal formulations. We have 60% of it we have 60% which is protein, 20% is minerals, 20% is vitamins. Now the protein is not animal protein, it is vegetable protein. We have peanut protein, we have whey protein, we have soya bean protein in it. Above all, we have ashwagandha and we have shatavari. Ashwagandha is a detoxifying agent. When you apply CFC plus, when you give CFC plus to the cows or any other animal, first it gets into a detoxification process. It might get into a diarrhea mode, but don't worry, for about 10 days, the animal will become stable. It will become more healthy. And the delivery, the pregnancy deaths will be reduced drastically after using this, because protein builds up muscle. Protein builds up your immune system. Protein gives you more energy and strength, and the cow will be able to deliver a healthy baby. So the poultry farms, the same thing is applied even to poultry farms. The bird grows much larger in weight. It's healthy. There are so many testimonials wherein usually the hens, they die of heart attacks. That is reduced drastically. Even a about to die hen was saved with this CFC plus. Similarly, our friend Harsha has got horses. He doesn't give anything else to these horses except grass and CFC plus, and they're quite healthy. God's grace, they're all healthy. Now, sheep and goat, the same thing. They will grow faster. They'll have higher immunity. CFC plus builds up immunity. CFC plus takes care of the animal in a holistic manner. Okay, so this is agriculture and this is animal husbandry. I'll touch base on the healthcare products in a bleak way. We have joint care. We have for diabetes, we have Lifestyle Plus. I'm personally using Lifestyle Plus for the last 3 months. It has given me good results. Joint care. There are a lot of testimonials wherein people, when they use joint care, the arthritis pain reduced. I was speaking to one lady, and what she says that earlier she was not able to walk. Now she's able to walk. There are testimonials wherein in the arthritis, the liquid in between the bones, which is lubricating in nature, reduces drastically, and it is very painful for the patient. So this joint care helps in rebuilding that liquid. And that is the power of this liquid. Please understand that Ayurvedic medicines, Ayurvedic products, they work holistically. They work slowly. And it takes time for the results to become conspicuous. So one should have patience. I take Lifestyle Plus. I take Naturomore Plus. Naturomore Plus is again something analogous to CFC Plus. That is for those animals. This Naturomore Plus is for human beings. Even if you skip off your breakfast, I'm a diabetic person. I can see even if I skip off my breakfast and if I have my lunch at 2 o'clock, I don't get into a jittery position. I don't feel hungry. I'm quite stable. So that is the strength and stamina lifestyle plus gives. It takes care of our body in a holistic way. It is a balanced. It balances out so many things in our body. Then we have Naturomore for women. Many hormonal changes happen in women, and because of that, there are so many imbalances. This Naturomore for women helps in balancing out right from the age of 20 till 50. It's quite helpful to all the women. So we have Naturomore for men. Naturomore for diabetic people and people suffering from others. They have a problem with the performance. So this medicine helps in better performance, number one, and it also helps in eliminating the prostate gland. The recent research says that it has an impact. People suffer from prostate gland after 50 years. So that can be cured using this without a surgery, which is a boon for many, many patients. Like this, we have other Naturomore for kids, for all ages, kids of all ages. They can use this. They'll have more agility. They'll be able to play well. In fact, it also impacts their mind. They'll be highly energetic. These are all. Instead of using Bonvita and other chemicals like Complan, etc., it's better to use Naturomore products because they're quite natural, and it always takes care of the entire human body in a holistic way. So these are some of the products. There are other products also. We can discuss it later on. Because of paucity of time, I need to end this session at this point of time. We can take some of the questions and answers if required. Yeah, Harsha. Hello. Hello.
Srinivas, I can hear you.
Yeah. Can we take some questions? Naveen, is everybody there?
Yeah, everyone is here.
So nobody is talking. Harsha?
Daivik is there.
Daivik, any questions? So I think then we can thank everyone. Naveen?
Yeah. I think we can wrap up the call.
Thank you all. Thank you, Satish. Thank you, Naveen. Thank you, Harsha, Daivik. Thank you, Ganesh Hegde, for facilitating the technology part. And
Welcome, sir.
thank you all.
Welcome. Thank you all, sir.
Thank you
all. Thank you all. We look forward to your support because leaders like you're very motivating and inspiring for us. Thank you once again. By the way, Ganesh Hegde is a CAP achiever, and all we people are under his team. And very soon we'll also be CAP achievers with his inspiration. He has followed certain techniques to achieve that level. So he'll help us understand how to get to that level. And that is how everyone grows. Once again, thank you very much, Ganesh Hegde.
Welcome, sir. Thank you also.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you once again. Call mother.
ಹೇಳಿ ಕಟ್ಟಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸುಮಾರು ಸಲ ಕಟ್ಟಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟಲ್ವಾ?